Hello, welcome back to our grammar class. Today we are going to start with the new grammar lesson, the use of has and have, part 1. Okay, now read the following sentences carefully. Goldie has a red ball. Okay, Goldie has a red ball. Neha has a beautiful frock. Neha has a beautiful frock. I have long hair. I have long hair. They have a white car. They have a white car. Okay, now there are some sentences where we have used has, and there are a few sentences where we have used have. So how to know when to use has and when to use have? Okay, that is what we are going to learn today. Okay, just a minute. Now just observe these sentences carefully. When we are using has, just observe we are talking about one person, Goldie and Neha. When we are talking about one single person, Goldie, we have used the word has. When we are talking about one single person, Neha, we have used the word has. ओके जब हम एक आदमी के बारे में या एक चीज के बारे में बात करते हैं तब हमने क्या यूज किया है हैज वी हैव यूज्ड हैज ओके एंड along with I, we will use have. Along with I, we will use have. Okay. And when we are talking about more than one, that is they. Here we are talking about more than one. When we say they, means more than one. Okay. So that time we are again using have. Along with I, we have used have, and along with more than one we have used have. So when we talk about one single person we will use has, we will use have when we talk about more than one person. Okay, and along with I also we will use have. Okay, understood? Chalo, I'll move on to the next slide. Yes, just a minute. I will use laser pointer. Okay. Okay, we use has with he, she, it and naming words that mean one. Okay, that is what I told you. When we use naming words which mean one or he, she, it. He, she, it is again only one single pronoun. So, we are talking about only one person or one thing. That time we will use has. He, she, it means one. Okay. Naming words that mean one. We will use has. We use have with I, we, you, they and naming words that mean more than one. Okay. So, I along with I, even though it is one single, it means one single person, we use have. For you also, even though it means one single person, I and you, along with I and you, we are going to use have only. And when we mean more than one, we, they and naming words that mean more than one, that time we are going to use have. Okay, समझ में आया? जब हम एक चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो हम has यूज करेंगे and when we are talking about more than one, we will use have. Apart from this, I और you के साथ में हम हमेशा have ही यूज करेंगे. Okay, I hope you all understood. We'll practice some more so that you will be able to understand more clearly. Now use has or have to complete the following sentences. Okay, now this fill in the blanks or this question you have to copy it down in your English notebook. Okay, so the first sentence, giraffes dash long necks. Giraffes, now we are talking about giraffes. Giraffes means what? One or more than one? Yes, it is more than one. So what will we write? Have. H-A-V-E, have. So giraffes means more than one. That is the reason we have written here have. Okay. Giraffes have long necks. Next. I dash black shoes. Even though I means one, but along with I, what will you use? Yes, along with I, we will use have. So, I have black shoes. I have black shoes. Okay. The third sentence, my friend dash brown shoes. Okay, now we are talking about friend over here. My friend, only one friend. So, what will we use? Has or have? Yes, since it is one person, we'll use has. My friend has brown shoes. My friend has brown shoes. Okay, understood? Fourth one, donkeys dash big ears. Now, donkeys, look here, we have S over here. So, that means more than one. Are we talking about one donkey? No, we are talking about donkeys. Okay, we are talking about donkeys. That is more than one donkey. So, what will we use? Has or have? Yes, we will use have. So read it once more. Donkeys have big ears. Donkeys have big ears. Okay, let's move on to the next sentence. The squirrel dash a bushy tail. Now we are talking about squirrel. Squirrel means what? One or more than one? Yes, squirrel is one, only one. So what will we use? Has or have? Yes, we will use has. So read once more. The squirrel has a bushy tail. The squirrel has a bushy tail. Very good. Let's move on to the next sentence. Sonia dash two brothers. Okay, here we are talking about Sonia. Okay, now Sonia is one person or more than one people? Yes, we are talking about only one person, Sonia. So what will we write? Has or have? Yes, you're right. We'll write has. Sonia has two brothers. Repeat once more. Sonia has two brothers. Very good. Next one. We dash a new house. Now we means what? One or more than one? Yes, we means more than one. So what will we use? Has or have? You're right, we will use have. We have a new house. Repeat once more. We have a new house. Very good. Next one. The girls dash new dresses. Okay. So we are talking about girls. Girls means one or more than one. Yes, since it is girls, we mean more than one. So what will we use? Has or have? Yes, we will use have. The girls have new dresses. Okay. So these are the sentences, 8 sentences which you need to copy in your English notebook. I'll put up a separate PDF for this all. Just remember when to use has, when to use have, and copy this down in your English notebook and complete your classwork. Okay, that's all. Goodbye. See you.